I'm Mike from Become a Better Guitar Player, and welcome back. Today's lesson is going to be the transition between the C chord and the G chord. If this lesson helps you out, please like and subscribe to our channel. It's entirely free and it helps us out a lot. So let's get started with our lesson. So our last two lessons we had was the C chord and the G chord. These are two very, very common first position chords in guitar playing and country and rock and roll music. There's lots and lots of songs. So a lot of what happens when you play these in those songs is you're going to transition between the C chord and the G chord. Sometimes it goes quickly between them. Sometimes it goes slowly. But it's actually an easy transition to make, other than C chord, G chord. When you first learn your chords, you're just going to be playing the chords, but in the context of a song, you're going to have to be a little more fluent. So let's get a C chord on the neck like this. Third fret on the A string, which is fifth from the bottom. Your second finger on the second fret of the D string, which is the fourth from the bottom. Your first finger is going to be on the B string on the first fret, which is the second string from the bottom. Make sure all those strings ring nice and open. And from there, you take these two fingers, your third and your second finger, and you just move them up the neck one string like this. And then you lift your first finger off and you put your fourth finger down here on the third fret of the E string, which is the highest string, the lowest one on the neck. When you do it like that, there's a lot less movement in your hand. Try strumming some different ways. Start out slow, maybe just go down one time. If your hand starts to get a little cramped up feeling from stressing it out too much, take your hand off, stretch out your fingers, give it a little shake. Loosen up your wrist a little bit, and then go back to it. So that's the best way to go between the G and the C chord. It's a very common transition in a lot of songs. So that's one you would want to practice a lot, and I think it's an easier one too. Make sure you try to use your smallest, your pinky, your fourth finger, if you can. It makes things a lot easier in the future for other chords and other chord changes also. So hope this video helps you. Make sure you practice at least 15 minutes a day. Half hour is better, an hour is even better. Subscribe to our channel if you would. We'd really, really appreciate it, and it's entirely free. And I hope you got something from this lesson. Thank you, and have a great day.